In today's video, I will teach you how to make a scrapbook in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the word scrapbook. There are thousands of templates to choose from, but you can filter out the designs that you would like to use. To do so, simply enable the filters on the sidebar. Here, you can filter out the designs by style, theme, pricing, and color scheme. But if you would like to make your own scrapbook from scratch, simply click on the Create a Design button and make a custom-sized canvas. But once you've found the right design, you can now customize it. Now, in the Elements tab, you can add lines, shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, audios, charts, tables, frames, grids, and collections with different graphic design elements to choose from. But if you would like to make the template more personal, you can upload your own photos, videos, and audio in the Uploads tab. You can also choose from different text combinations in the Text tab. Simply drag the text preset that you like and customize it. For the text settings, you can change the font style, font size, and animations on the top panel once you select the text that you would like to edit. And once you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.